It's our pleasure to welcome you all to Grace Diksharam, the induction program, together as a family of Technia Institute of Advanced Studies to mark another landmark of success.
हे शारदे मां, हे शारदे मां, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे मां। हे शारदे मां, हे शारदे मां, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे मां। तू स्वर की देवी है, संगीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा है, हर गीत तुझसे।
Let us first seek the blessing of Goddess Saraswati with Saraswati Vandana performed by Riddhi and Tash. Director Technia Institute of Advanced Studies Dr. Ajay Kumar to kindly come on the stage and felicitate our guest for the day, Mr. Deepak Behel, founder and CEO, Astra Protection Group and Astra Training Academy.
To the Technia Institute of Advanced Studies, and on the eve of you being ushering into a new professional world in your graduation program, master's program, 2024 onwards. It's going to be a new journey for you. 4 years. The first time the undergraduate is 4 years. This is the first transformation. Right. The second one, things has changed quite a bit. Responsibility for you is also been enhanced, but we are there to hold your hands tightly so that you can be coming out with flying colors in time to come. This is our responsibility. Rest be assured, we are going to make your dream accomplished, your parents' dream accomplished over here. We have got more than 100 plus faculty over here, all the adequate resources of labs, classes, and the library. Very good library we have. Mostly work on with e-resources. Books, physical form one part, e-resources, there's another form, which is not out in open, but it's quite impressive. Try to improve upon on that part also. So my dear friends, whatever you learned so far in up to 12th, things are transforming. Go through various sites, go through various inputs, try to change. जो भी हम लोग पहले कर रहे थे वो नहीं कर रहे हैं. आप पहला बैच हो जो बिल्कुल नया है सिस्टम के हिसाब से. In this whole of India, 4-year degree session in IPU also. So जो भी कुछ आप करोगे वो लकीर बन जाएगा आगे के लिए. People will have to emulate that part. So minded, you have got a greater responsibility on your shoulders. And once again, I welcome you in the campus. And your choice is best. And I feel that these 4 years definitely going to transform you into a beautiful butterfly flying from Technia to the corporate world. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
You are most welcome to your own institute, Technia Institute of Advanced Study. The course what you opted, hopefully you have thought that these courses will certainly make you out a flying color after 4 years. As many good things have already been elaborated by, inaugurated by Honorable Director, but still I need to say you something. You are proud batch of the new education policy, first batch of 4-year course. However, You have option to make you out after 3 years with a degree, but 4 years with honors. When you will do the 4-year course, after that, you will have to do only 1 year's PG course, MBA and all. That opportunity you will be given after 4 years. Hopefully, you will understand, you will carefully go through the syllabi and do accordingly. Though I have to share a lot many things, but it is not my day, it is not our day today, the day of our motivated guest who have come to us, who have made some time out of his very busy schedule. बच्चे, lot many things, but hopefully it will be great if we give much more space to our Gaurav Basis sir and Deepak Bahal sir. Thank you very much.
I'm thankful to the audience here, a vibrant young crowd. I said you might be Abhishek or you might be Rahul, you might be Neha, you might be anything else, but your thought process is very, very important, absolutely important. And the first step that you've taken is to come here and start your journey. And this journey is absolutely important. Destination important नहीं है, पहुंचेंगे तो सब कहीं ना कहीं. But आपने जो ये journey ली है, you've come to a right place, you've come amongst the right people, your directors, your management, your faculty position people, your support staff, your technicians, your lab assistants, the infrastructure. किसी ने मुझे कहा ये building बहुत खूबसूरत नहीं है. आप बिल्डिंग में पढ़ने नहीं आए हैं, आप एक कल्चर में पढ़ने आए हैं, आप एक एनवायरनमेंट में पढ़ने आए हैं. उस एनवायरनमेंट को क्रिएट किया जाता है और वो बिल्डिंग से क्रिएट नहीं होता है, वो आप ही लोगों से क्रिएट होगा. क्राउड कौन है? वो आप ही तो हैं. यू आर द क्राउड. एंड इफ यू आर द क्राउड, you will be the brand ambassador of wherever you go.
Okay, let me share a story. एक छोटा बच्चा था, वो मेले में गया अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ. तो उसने जाके बोला कि गुब्बारा लेना है. हर बच्चे को शौक होता है गुब्बारा लेने का. तो उसके फादर ने 5 रुपए उसके हाथ पे रखे. बच्चा बड़ी कस के 5 रुपए पकड़ के कि कहीं गिर ना जाए, दौड़ा दौड़ा गुब्बारे वाले के पास गया. बोला भैया 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 ये लाल वाला गुब्बारा कितने का है? उसने कहा ये 5 रुपए का. कहता है उसने देखा 5 रुपए मेरे पास है, 5 रुपए का गुब्बारा है. कह रहे लेकिन अगर ये हाथ से छूट गया तो उड़ जाएगा? उसने कहा हाँ बेटा उड़ जाएगा, क्योंकि गैस का गुब्बारा था. तो बच्चे ने बोला अच्छा अच्छा ये बताओ ये ब्लू वाला कितने का है? ब्लू वाला. दुकानदार ने बोला 5 रुपए का. बोला अगर ये हाथ से छूट गया तो ये भी उड़ जाएगा? उसने बोला हाँ. कहता है अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है ये बताओ ये ब्लैक वाला कितने का है? तब तक दुकानदार जो था वो समझ चुका था. उसने बच्चे को बोला बेटा इट इज नॉट द कलर ऑफ द बैलून, इट इज व्हाट इज इनसाइड द बैलून विच विल टेक बैलून टू द हाइट्स. यस और नो? द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई टेक्निया? आंसर इज आवर जॉब इज टू गिव यू that power so that you can reach on the top of your career. You understand everyone or not? वो जो गैस है वो देना हमारा काम है, वो जो पावर है वो देना हमारा काम है, so that you can reach on the next level in your career. You want to become entrepreneurs or you want to become a top level executive in the corporate world, you can definitely do it.
Technia Group welcomes you all. So, as I'll continue with Sir first. Sir is very well trying to make the first day as bright as he can explain you all that what is the power of perseverance. Perseverance is something we call in Hindi dridhta. I think so, sir, you're talking about the same thing. So, dear students, first day, new journey, and here at Technia, we can see diverse talent sitting gathered in one hall. So I want to wish everyone from the back to the front, sitting at the back students, the first day of your college must be exciting and you should learn and grow with every step you enter to this new journey. I congratulate to all my team members, my respected director sir and dean sir and all the eminent and expertise faculties we have. So dear students, the first day is a very special day and we are trying to make it special for you all. So I will not take much of your time right now, but we'll just continue with sir. I think what I would like to do, the power of perseverance is very much required at every step. So the life journey is like a roller coaster. The more the twist, the more the bumps, the more you make it, enjoyable and memorable. So the challenges you face from here till to your next level of education setups, I think so you should enjoy them and you should make them memorable. Plus, you should believe in what you are and where you are. As we believe in you all, and you should parallelly try to understand that there is a connection between you and your destiny, and where you are at Technia Group will give you the best with terms of resources and expertise, advice, and we'll wish you that you can make a balance in between your academic success as well as personal growth. Dear students, so we'll continue with Sir motivational talk first, and then we'll continue further. Thank you for inviting me. It's my great pleasure to be with you all. Thank you.
Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 5 again, number 6. छत उड़नी चाहिए आपके पास से नंबर 6 again. इससे भी ऊंची नंबर 6 again. Number 7. Number 1 again. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. You are on my right. We have team A. Team A जरा हाथ खड़ा करे. On my left we have team X. B नहीं, X. ठीक है? तो आप है X और आप है A. ठीक है? Okay, let's have it. Hands up. Waist, shoulder, head, toe, knees. Hands up, toe, waist, head, shoulder, bottle.
Thanks to Gaurav Basi sir and Deepak Bahal sir for this wonderful session. I'm not giving my opinion, but what I heard from some of your colleagues outside the hall, they were much satisfied. Hopefully you too. May I have? But I think if you like really, the huge round of applause for these two guest motivators. It was a good round, not a huge round. May I expect a huge round? Because still I say,